Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. We are now dealing with grade 11 general mathematics, numbers and algebra, quarter 1, lesson 1. Our lesson 1 is about weekly wages from an annual salary. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to: number 1, define annual salary and weekly wage. Number 2, explain the relationship between annual salary, weekly wages, and work days. Number 3, calculate weekly wages given an annual salary. And number 4, real life problems involving weekly wages. Let's start the lesson by asking, have you ever thought about how much a person earns in a week? If you know their yearly salary, do you think everyone earns the same weekly wage if they have the same annual salary? Understanding how annual salary translates into weekly or daily wages is important for personal budgeting, financial planning, and career decisions. Key concepts. Number 1, annual salary, the total amount of money a person earns in a year, usually agreed upon in a contract or job offer. Example, if a person earns 520,000 per year, that is their annual salary. Weekly wage, the amount of money a person earns in 1 week, and can be calculated if the annual salary and the number of weeks in a year are known. Number of weeks in a year. There are typically 52 weeks in a year. Sometimes, some companies use 52.14 weeks to account for leap years or exact days. But for simplicity, we often use 52. The relationship between annual salary and weekly wage. The formula to calculate each weekly wage is weekly wage is equal to annual salary divided by the number of weeks in a year. Example 1, annual salary 520,000, number of weeks 52. Weekly wage would be 520,000 divided by 52 equal to 10,000. So, the person earns 10,000 pesos per week. Factors to consider. Number 1, work days in a week. Usually, a week has 5 working days, Monday to Friday. Weekly wage can also help find daily wage. So daily wage is equals to the weekly wage divided by the number of work days. Example, daily wage is equals to 10,000 divided by 5, so 2,000. So the person earns 2,000 per day. Number 2, deduction. Taxes, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, or other deductions may reduce the take-home pay. Important to teach students that gross salary is not equal to the net salary. Overtime and bonuses. Weekly wage may increase if the worker earns overtime pay, commissions, or bonuses. Step-by-step procedure. To calculate the weekly wages from an annual salary, number 1, know the annual salary from the job, contract, or offer. Number 2, determine the number of weeks in a year, and that is usually 52. And then number 3, use the formula weekly wage is equals to annual salary divided by 52. Number 4, optional, divide the weekly wage by work days to get the daily wage. Formulas. And number 1, weekly wage from annual salary is equal to the weekly wage equals to annual salary divided by the number of weeks in a year. Usually, the number of weeks is equal to 52. Daily wage from weekly wage. So daily wage is equals to weekly wage divided by the number of work days per week. Commonly, the number of work days is equal to 5, Monday to Friday. Number 3, daily wage directly from the annual salary. Daily wage is equal to annual salary divided by the number of weeks times the number of work days. Example, for 5-day work week, daily wage is equal to annual salary divided by 52 times 5, which is equal to the annual salary divided by 260. Practice problems. Anna earns an annual salary of 624,000. Calculate her weekly wage, her daily wage if she works 5 days a week. So we're given the annual salary of 624,000. Required A, weekly wage, B, daily wage for 5 days per week. So solution letter A, weekly, that's 624,000 divided by 52, and the answer is 12,000. And then the daily will be that weekly 12,000 divided by 5 work days per week. And the answer is 2,400 pesos. Number 2, Marco earns 468,000 per year. Determine his weekly wage. And letter B, his daily wage if he works 6 days a week. So annual salary is 468,000 pesos. And we are asked to obtain the weekly wage and the daily wage for 6 days per week. So weekly is 468,000 divided by 52, and the answer is 9,000. And then the daily will be 9,000 divided by 6, so the answer is 1,500 pesos. Okay, so next, a company pays its employees 780,000 annually. Find A, the weekly wage, letter B, the daily wage assuming a 5-day work week. So we're given the annual salary of 780,000. So require the weekly wage and letter B, the daily wage for 5 days per week. So solution, you have the weekly 780,000 divided by 52, the answer is 15,000. And then your daily will be 50,000 divided by 5, equivalent to 3,000. Number 4. Jenny has an annual salary of 1,040,000. Calculate letter a weekly wage, letter B, daily wage if she works 5 days per week. So we're given the annual salary of 1,040,000 required, weekly wage, and the daily wage for 5 days per week. So solution, weekly is 1,040,000 divided by 52, and that is 20,000. Letter B, the daily wage will be 20,000 divided by 5 equivalent to 4,000. Number 5. Two employees earn the same annual salary of 520,000, but one works 4 days per week and the other works 5 days per week. Determine the weekly wage for both. Letter B, the daily wage for both. Letter C, who earns more per day. So solution, weekly for both is 520,000 divided by 52. And the daily for 4 day would be 10,000 divided by 4, 2,500. And then letter C, the daily for a 5 day, 10,000 divided by 5, 2,000. So the 4 day worker earns more per day, which is 2,500. Number 6, Rico earns 390,000 yearly. Calculate the weekly wage, daily wage if he works Monday to Friday, daily wage if he works Monday to Saturday. So solution, weekly 390,000 divided by 52, the answer is 7,500. The daily for 5 days is 7,500 divided by 5 is equivalent to 1,500. The daily for 6 days is 7,500 divided by 6 equivalent to 1,250. Number 7. A new employee is offered 780,000 per year. Determine letter A, weekly wage, B, daily wage for 5-day work week, letter C, daily wage for a 6-day work week. So solution, weekly is 780,000 divided by 52 equivalent to 15,000. The daily for 5 days is 15,000 divided by 5, 3,000. Daily for 6 day would be 15,000 divided by 6 equal to 2,500. If an employee's weekly wage is 12,000, calculate the employee's annual salary and the daily wage assuming a 5-day work week. So the annual salary is equals to 12,000 times 52. So you have 624,000. The daily would be 12,000 divided by 5 equivalent to 2,400. Number 9. Maria earns 520,000 per year, but her company deducts 20,000 yearly for benefits. Calculate. Letter A, her net weekly wage. Letter B, her net daily wage for a 5-day work week. So the net annual will be 520,000 minus 20,000, 500,000. The net weekly will be 500 divided by 52. That's 9,615, 38 pesos, 38. Net daily is 9,615.38 divided by 5. That's 1,923.08. Okay, so we will have our next part of this lesson 1.